Did you know food manufacturers using specialized ERP systems saw a 20 to 30% revenue increase in 2023 compared to those with generic ERP solutions? It's clear why more businesses are choosing tailored ERP systems. BatchMaster ERP for Food, crafted by industry experts with decades of experience, is one such solution that caters to more than 18 verticals of food industry. Its recipe management lets you control, secure, version, compare, and cost recipes effectively. Bi-directional traceability swiftly identifies ingredients and defects, minimizing response time. To reduce wastage and optimize inventory, BatchMaster ERP manages issues based on LIFO, FIFO, and expiration dates. These features uphold stringent regulatory standards. Additionally, features like catch weight, lot strength, allergen management, nutritional labeling, and seamless integration with USDA, Genesis, and other standard databases make BatchMaster ERP ideal for various food and beverage sub-industries. Don't settle for a one-size-fits-all solution. Get BatchMaster ERP for Food and transform your operations. Request a personalized demo today.